That was a long pending issue in the government. This issue is pertaining to the central government, and the census which has been conducted in the year 2001. But we have the people of the ST community or the tribal community has got the status in the ST status in the year 2003. So it missed slightly by 2 years. Now the survey is already there, and under 2011 census is already notified that the tribals Gawde, Konkani and Valley are the got the ST status. But it is in the delimitation commission since only after 25 years. But now already 45 years has been completed, but the delimitation commission has not said. So we have already, even the government of Goa has already represented the issue to the union government. Even I personally met to the election commission, then the president and honorable prime minister also. But the issue has to be taken into the both the parliamentary house. Otherwise, there should be we should go in the Supreme Court. It is very difficult to approach in the Supreme Court. But I think by this 2022, we hope for getting the political reservation in that.
मुरगांव म्युनिसिपल हायस्कुलाच्या भांगरा महोत्सवाक गेल्ले कडेन गोविंद पत्रकारांकडेन उलयलो. सोसायटीनी POS मशीनां ऑफलायनूय चलतली हाची व्यवस्था खंय नागरी पुरवण खाते करतले.
These people are deprived people who has come from the very big background. And they have struggled a lot in the state of Goa, especially for their constitutional right and the benefit. But till then, they are deprived. So I think, and unless and until the political power is not handed, it is very difficult to have their constitutional right of their. So this system already आम्ही 5 ऑगस्टाच्यान सुरू केल्ले आसा आणि कसलीच तरेचे तितून प्रॉब्लम ना आणि घडये सुद्दां प्रॉब्लम सुद्दां जर आसलो जाल्यार आमी अरेंजमेंट केल्लो आसा ऑफलायन दिवपा खातीर आनी खास करून मुरगांव सालसेट भागांत नेटवर्क तर प्रचंड आसा. ह्यो सिस्टमाक एखादा इश्यू जावपाक शकता तो एक इंटेरियर भाग सांग्याचो केपें किंवा काणकोण ह्या भागान आनी थोडोसो सत्तरी. पूण म्हज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे एज ऑफ नाव 70% जो POS मशीन जे आसा ताका कांयच प्रॉब्लेम जावपाना अशें म्हाका दिसता.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.